Effortless labeling with the NiiMbot D110 portable label maker, wireless printing, multiple templates. Detail, simplify your labeling tasks with the NiiMbot D110 portable label maker. With wireless printing, multiple templates, and a user-friendly design, this label maker offers convenient and efficient labeling for your phone, office, and home. Stay organized and streamline your labeling process with this portable and versatile label maker. Efficient labeling and barcode printing with the NiiMbot B21 barcode label maker, wireless thermal printer. Detail, simplify your labeling and barcode printing tasks with the NiiMbot B21 barcode label maker. With wireless thermal printing, compact design, and versatile labeling options, this portable printer offers convenience and efficiency for home, office, and commercial use. Experience the ease of wireless printing and streamline your labeling process with this compact and reliable label maker. Print anywhere with the easy carry wireless portable HD thermal printer, compact design, wireless connectivity. Detail, experience the convenience of portable printing with the easy carry wireless portable HD thermal printer. This compact printer is designed for travel, business, and office work, offering wireless connectivity and high-quality thermal printing. With its compatibility with PC and mobile phones, you can print documents and images from anywhere with ease. Enjoy hassle-free printing on the go with this versatile and compact device. Efficient and versatile A4 thermal printer for wireless and mobile printing, tattoo transfer, text, and PDF document printing. Detail, print conveniently with the A4 thermal printer, offering wireless and USB connectivity options for versatile printing. Whether you need to print text, PDF documents, or tattoo transfers, this printer delivers high-quality thermal prints. With mobile printing capability and a compact design, it's perfect for on-the-go printing needs. Experience the convenience of wireless and mobile printing with this efficient A4 thermal printer. Print variable information anywhere with the Y7 handheld thermal inkjet printer, QR codes, barcodes, dates, logos, and more. Detail, experience the convenience of portable variable printing with the Y7 handheld thermal inkjet printer. Print QR codes, barcodes, batch codes, dates, numbers, logos, and expiry dates on labels and various surfaces. With its compact design, user-friendly interface, and high-quality thermal inkjet technology, this printer is perfect for on-the-go printing needs. Enhance your productivity and efficiency with the versatile Y7 handheld thermal inkjet printer. Please subscribe 24 Bazaar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.